OM Limited was originally founded as a spinning machinery manufacturer in 1949, but has since established itself as a high-quality manufacturer for a wide range of machine tools and automatic packaging machines. By anticipating and responding to customer demands, we at OM Limited are driven by constant innovation as a professional organization with experience, expertise, and sophisticated technology. OM Limited joined the Daiwabo Holdings Group in 2011. Daiwabo Holdings formulated a tripartite business group by adding OM Limited as the industrial infrastructure group of machine tools and automatic packaging machines. Daiwabo Holdings had a pre-existing primary information infrastructure group of IT-related businesses with a life infrastructure group for fiber-related businesses. The Daiwabo Group is expanding its business network not only throughout Japan, but internationally under its mission to contribute to social infrastructure. We are accelerating our business development worldwide as one of the key players in the 3-in-1 consolidated business group of Daiwabo Holdings. OM Limited has its business operations across the country in Japan, with 2 manufacturing bases, the Nagaoka plant in Niigata Prefecture and the Shinji plant in Shimane Prefecture. In the global market, we established OM USA in North America in 2006 and have since strengthened our business network. Following the success in the US market, we wanted to respond to the rapidly growing manufacturing infrastructure investment in the Asian region. We accomplished this by establishing overseas affiliates in Taiwan and Shanghai. OM Limited manufactures and sells various kinds of machine tools. Of all of OM's machine tools, the vertical lathes are especially popular for their superior quality, high performance, and abundant selection both at home and abroad, to such a great degree that OM is praised highly in Japan and abroad. We have even been referred to as Vertical Lathes OM. In addition to proposing various products to meet customers' needs, we can satisfy a wide range of requirements for supersized and high-precision processing, as demanded by the state-of-the-art aerospace industry, the heavy industry, and the precision equipment industry. OM Limited manufactures and sells packaging machines for a variety of industrial areas, including pharmaceuticals, food, and confectionery. Many of the products packed by OM packaging machines make their way into the hands of general consumers. With increasing product diversification, the packaging process today requires a high degree of flexibility and precision. The package is designed to reduce spent space and energy and is structured with hygienic control. Its sophisticated technology and constant innovation enables OM Limited to rapidly and flexibly respond to these requirements. In addition, taking advantage of its wide array of technology, OM Limited can produce customer-oriented proposals regarding not only specific machines, but entire packaging lines. OM Metal Engineering, one of OM's affiliated companies, produces a variety of cast metal and is involved in machine work. Such an integrated production is another asset of the OM Group. Since its establishment in 1949, OM Limited has shipped products not only throughout Japan, but worldwide, and OM's sophisticated technology is now being utilized all over the world. OM Limited consistently and strenuously devotes itself to improvement in products and services with the intention of creating high-quality and environmentally friendly machines. We are a professional company producing advanced technology. Creatively developing something new means to satisfy customer requirements. OM Limited is constantly reinventing itself through ceaseless innovation and meeting challenges with the aim of manufacturing even higher quality products. You can count on the professionals at OM Limited.